So whether you are a content creator, marketer, or business owner, converting your articles and blog posts into video is a trick that you should definitely master. So as it turns a ton of times and it ensures that you never run out of video ideas. So in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process to take your blog post and articles and turn them into super engaging videos. It only takes minutes and you can do it. So even if you have no video editing experience at all, along with the free online video editor called InVideo. Sounds super useful, right? So this is the home screen of InVideo. So as you can see, there are multiple options. One is the pre-made templates. Then we have the text to video. Then we have the blank canvas. Also, once you go to the settings, so here as you can see brand presets here. So here you can just enter the details for your brand name, then brand logo. You can also add your Facebook page, Twitter page, Instagram page. So for this video, I'm just going to show you text to video in this video. So there we have three options here, 16:9. Then we have the square one, that is 1:1, and then we have the 9:16, that's vertical. Also, so as you can see, there are multiple templates here which you can use. So there are variety of templates. So whether you are making different types of videos, you can use that. So for this video, I'm just going to use a simple template here. So once you click on that template, so here as you can see the preview here. So I'm just going to use that template. So once you click that, so here as you can see there are three options. So one is for the script. So here you have to enter the headline and the script. Then the second option, you can directly enter the URL and InVideo will automatically convert into video. Then we have the third option where you can add your media files. So I'm just going to select option 2. So where I have already selected an article. So I'm just going to copy paste the URL. So once we click on fetch, so here as you can see, InVideo has already fetched the article. So I'll just click on auto summarize and InVideo will automatically summarize the article in separate sentences here. Since you directly can't use the articles, okay, so what you can do is you have to go to the Quillbot. I'll just write the description. So just copy paste the sentence, and here as you can see it has already rephrased the sentence here. So just copy that and paste it here. So we have to do for the entire scenes here. So for this video, I'm just going to keep it as it is, and once that is done, okay, you can also delete the scenes here. So once everything is done, just click on next and make sure you only have 30 sentences here, because it becomes easier for InVideo. So here as you can see, scenes has been added according to the sentence here. So on the left hand side you can see the video option is there. So you can just directly drag it and drop it. So whenever you will enter the keyword, okay, so InVideo will automatically give you the related clip, okay, from its library. So it has millions of videos. So here as you can see, you can also get videos from iStock directly into the InVideo. So you just have to select the video and you have to just drag it and drop it here. So similarly, I'll just do it for the second scene also. And here, as you can see, so for all this scene, the InVideo has automatically selected the video clips from using the AI. Also, once you click on edit button, okay, so that will open the timeline here. So you can just see the main timeline here according to the scenes, because in InVideo all the video is comprised of different scenes which you can edit it here. So here, as you can see, so this is the text, then we have the voiceover. You can also add your music, your voiceover. Okay, then we have the automatic text to speech here, which you can use, or you can give your own voiceover if you need. Also, you can just drag and drop the text here. You can adjust the text. So once everything is done, you just have to click on export, select whether you want 1080p or 720p, and just click on export here. So there you go guys, InVideo is no doubt a useful video creating and video editing tool. Anyone looking to create videos can use this software. The video creating process is extremely easy than other video creators. Their price is reasonable as well. So as a whole, I will definitely recommend people to try this at least once. So if you are interested in InVideo, just check the link in the description below. So that will take you to their website and see if this is right for you. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.